Young bulls are sharing some skills, showing if are you ready or you're not, if you need some more practice. Just available. Two young bears in water, and they are really sure that they can show each other some muscles for future defense and hunting skills. They are really enjoying the action. And the weather seems to be relevant with what they are doing. And there are two young goats, young male goats, are practicing some leadership skills, because as a male goat they have to know how to fight for the family. Defense is needed as a male goat. And two pigeons in a engaged, they are really engaged in a serious fight. We don't know what the cause, maybe it's dating stories, and young kittens are showing each other if this is possible. Yes, it is. Can you do this? Just have a look how they are enjoying. Thank you guys.